Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for the first thing I made this month, I made a bikini. I'll insert a picture here. I just don't have it on me because I sent it overseas with my sister for one of their friends. And then the second thing I made for this month is this set. It is a commission for somebody else, so I can't try it on because it doesn't fit me, but obviously found on Pinterest, and then I basically made it so it's like this, and obviously you make it smaller and then wear it like that, and then I made the straps long enough so she can wrap it around and then tie. But yeah, that's the vibe for this top. So the next thing that I made is this corset, I don't know. It's basically just like a crochet rectangle with a border at the top where crocheted 2 stitches in to make it go like kind of cinched in like the cleavage part. But this is not my design, it's from Scarlett and Sam's Instagram. Yeah, I think it's that. I'll link the Instagram in the description. And then also it's just like a simple crisscross back. I just need to also cut off the string. But yeah, super easy. You can totally make it as a beginner. So cute. I'll try it on now. Here's just a little 360 of the top. I'll come up close to show you the detailing. I literally think this detailing is everything. It's such a vibe. I highly recommend making this top, like even as a beginner getting into crocheting. It's literally like a crochet rectangle with a bit of color at the top, and you just sew in 2 stitches in the middle and you're away. Like, it's so easy. And you can also dress this top up and down. Like, I'm wearing these funny looking lounge pants with this top, and like it still looks kind of vibey, you know. So the next thing that I made was this crochet and the crochet dress. So it's not really fully crocheted, but the top part is crocheted and then I sewed onto the bottom piece. It's really cute and it was super simple to make. It's literally just like, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 granny squares for the top part, and then sewed on fabric for the bottom. And I'll try it on. It's just a little 360 of the dress. It's really cute and flowy. It was super easy to make. It's just a little bit of a sewing thing going on. I might have a tutorial coming soon, so stay tuned. And the next thing that I made for this month is a pair of these white shorts. I've made a pair for myself in this exact color and I wear them all the time. Like, it goes with everything. And now my friend is lucky enough to have a pair, so I just made the shorts to suit her. Kind of, she wanted them a little bit longer, so that's how they look. Also, I have done a tutorial on YouTube. I'll link it in the bio, in the description, whatever. And it's really easy to follow and it's quite detailed, so you can just adjust the pattern to suit you. Like, if you want the waist to be smaller or bigger, you just add more or less rows, and then if you want your shorts to be longer, you just do more rows. Like, it's really easy and simple to do, so I highly recommend. And like, you can wear these shorts with everything and anything. I wear them all the time. Here's just a little 360 of the shorts. I don't know if you can see properly. I love these shorts so much. I don't know how many times I could say how many, like, I love them so much. But like the nice thing with these shorts, they do loosen up after a bit of wear. And then also I have put in a drawstring, so you can adjust the tightness of the top of the pants, because they do get a bit loose. And then the top, you can just tighten it and they hang and they sit so nicely. Like now I've just made these so they're a bit tight, but they loosen up, and oh, I love these pants. I highly recommend making them. You can make them in all different colors and you can wear them anywhere really. You can go to the beach, you can do everything in them. I love them so much. And then the last thing that I made for this month is this bucket hat. It's nothing too special, it's pretty ordinary. I think Emma P's done a tutorial how to make these bucket hats. I'll link it in the description. But yeah, this is it, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and seeing what I made. So thanks for watching.